This is a 1999 Mazak Quickturn 250 Universal CNC Lathe. Machine's running through a quick program here. This machine is equipped with a MAZATROL 640 PC Fusion CNC control. Buttons are in excellent condition. The overall appearance of the machine is just very nice. Has a complement of OD and ID tooling going with it. A COLLET chuck and a 8-inch 3-jaw chuck. The machine has a parts catcher, a chip conveyor, a fully programmable tailstock. Machine runs in all aspects, can be seen demoed fully under power. This is a great opportunity for a very nice Mazak turning center. Please visit www.wigglesworth.com to view all of our current offerings, featured machines. We have an excellent on-site precision tool grinding liquidation going on right now. Have a great day.